Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this fabric flower. First I'm preparing fabric for my fabric flower. I'm cutting this thick jersey fabric. So all these circle pieces are 10 centimeters diameter and I have cut out 4 pieces. Next I'll sew these 4 circle pieces. So this is the wrong side and that's the right side. I'm folding this circle piece in half and in half again, so the right side is outside, and I will sew gathering stitch along these 4 edges. First fabric circle is prepared. Next I'll repeat same with the other circle. I am joining these 2 patterns together like that. I'll repeat same with the other 2 circles, same way. Next I'm joining all these pattern pieces together, so it's one circle, so it looks like that, securing that stitch there so the pattern pieces don't come apart. Next I'll prepare this pattern piece, which is 20 centimeters by 2 centimeters. I'm folding this pattern piece in half so the right side is inside, sewing those 2 edges together. And it looks like that. Next I will sew gathering stitch all around. I'm gathering this stitch quite tight so it creates a flower, as you can see here. Securing the middle with double stitch so it's nice and secure. And this flower is finished, looks like that. Next I will use this invisible thread, this one. And I will sew this acrylic flower on top of this fabric flower. So this flower is prepared and it looks like that. Next I will use hot glue gun and I will glue these 2 flowers together. I'm applying clear hot glue in the center there. And I will glue this flower on the top. And my fabric flower is finished and it looks like that. I decided to use this flower as a brooch. I have sewed a brooch pin at the back there. If you have any questions how I made this fabric flower, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.